Now there's a couple of appearance things that you can change. If you're using, well, really if you're using the paid or the free versions, you have access to themes. If you've paid for a theme, you'll be the only one that'll be able to use the specific one for your site. Otherwise, there are several standard themes. So if you find one you like, all you have to do is click activate, and it'll completely change the way your site looks. So now I'm going to visit the site, and it's got a whole new theme, and you'll see all my content is still there as it was. It just looks different. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to put it back to my startup experiment theme that I created, and again we're back to where it was. So free users get access to all of these to use themselves, and paid customers get their own themes created. Now the final basic section is a widget. Now these are the items that appear in the sidebar. So if I come back over here to the website, this is the sidebar. You may have one on one side or the other. You may have two on one side, one on either side, or none. There's a lot of information you can put in these sidebars. You can see I have a donation page, a link to my favorite home hard drive backup service, social network badges, or search boxes, archives, anything you want really. So really all you do is you go on your dashboard under the appearance tab, you click widgets, and this is what's appearing in the sidebar currently. These are all the available widgets, and you can have multiple ones. You'll see I have several text widgets over here, some links, a search box, and to add them or remove them, all you do is you click and you pull it over to the side until you see the little dashed box and let go. Sometimes I'll ask for configuration settings, or where you enter the text or an address or whatever you want, but I'm going to call this categories. I want to show it as a drop down and how many posts are on each one. Simply click save, and now when I go back to the site and refresh it, as I scroll down, you'll see now there's categories section. So if I come back to widgets, you'll see there's all kinds of widgets we can add. We can add a tag cloud, as I was referring to before. I'll set that there and call it tags and save that. Go back to the site and refresh it, and now you can see the tags. I don't have very many tags on this site, but you can see how it'll show the sizes based on how many posts there are in each tag. If I come here and go to another website, it's my personal site, you can see my tag cloud here has several things, and I can click on any one of them and it'll show me any posts that are tagged with that value. So to remove something, it's just as simple. You just grab it from the sidebar and you drag it off and let go, and then it's gone. And we go back to the site. You'll notice there's no longer a tag cloud here. So that's the basics of using your new websqrl.com weblog.